Silent children, will start our class with chanting of Omkar thrice. Join your hands, close your eyes and start chanting of Omkar thrice. Hi Ram. Roshni, mute your mic. Now, yes, Catherine, if you want to show anything, you can show, then we'll start further.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yogita, what do you want to ask? Ma'am or sir means what? Yes, Catherine, how you made it, just explain. Is not properly visible? Yes, okay. You made a Rakhi with the help of turmeric and soap solution. Yes, nice. Can you explain? Can you speak something about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
First I made a turmeric paste and then
yes,
throughout. Sir, first I made the turmeric paste and applied it in the paper. After it dried, I made a soap solution and drawn up Rakhi.
okay. So you found that you got a very good drawing on a sheet of paper, and
Yes,
you made a Rakhi with the help of acid base uh, reaction between a base and a natural indicator, turmeric.
yes,
Very good. And whatever you are doing in the science, you keep save all these things with you, because in future we can utilize it for your as a project somewhere. So जो आप बना रहे हैं वह सब संभाल के रखिए. Okay, Aditya, you said you want to give presentation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but not now, beta. After some time, if time permit me, then I will give you time to give your presentation. Okay, beta Adit?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so mute your mic. I am giving you a quick revision, then we'll start a new point, that is neutralization reaction. But before neutralization reaction, I would like to revise what we in previous classes we discussed. We discussed about the natural indicators, and there are few types of natural indicators that we discussed. The first one is litmus. Can anybody tell me from where we obtained this litmus?
Lichens.
Very good, very good.
Lichens.
Yes. So
Lichens.
very good. How litmus change its color? There are two types of litmus we made in the form of strips. The first one is red litmus paper and second is blue litmus paper. So how litmus paper react with acidic substance? Yes, Yogita?
सर मैं ये कह रही थी कि जो हमने टर्मरिक वाला जो हमने प्रोजेक्ट किया था,
Yes.
मैंने कुछ दिन पहले किया और वो आज मैंने देखा वो सब कुछ गायब हो गया.
हाँ, no problem. आप उसकी you take a photo of that your project.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So anybody can tell me how litmus react with acidic and basic substance?
It changes its color.
How? Explain.
Sir, when blue litmus paper is dipped in vinegar, it changes into red color. And when red litmus paper is dipped in soap solution, then it changes color to blue.
Okay. It means we can combinedly we can say acids change blue litmus to red and bases change red litmus to blue. Is it clear to all? Now, the second natural indicator it was China rose indicator, है ना? So any doubt in making China rose indicator with the help of China rose petals you can make, Anumega? Yes?
Yes, sir.
We can make China rose indicator, and this is very simple to know that acids turn China rose indicator to deep pink, that is magenta, है ना? Acid turn China rose to magenta, and bases turn China rose indicator to green. Yes. And the third natural indicator, it was turmeric. टर्मरिक को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं हल्दी. सभी लोग हल्दी वाला दूध पी रहे हैं कि नहीं पी रहे हैं आजकल?
यस सर, पी रहे हैं हर दिन.
आप तो उससे होता क्या है आदित्य? हल्दी वाले दूध पीने से क्या होता है?
एक्चुअली हमारी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है, क्योंकि
यस,
हल्दी में विटामिन सी रहता है, और विटामिन सी हमारे इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करता है.
अच्छा, ओके. हल्दी हमारे इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करती है. ओके, वेरी गुड. एक चीज बताइए कि हल्दी को हम दूध में डालते हैं, तो दूध में कोई देयर इज एनी एसिड इन द मिल्क?
Yes, sir.
Which acid?
Lactic acid.
Okay, so is there any change? Is there any reaction between turmeric and lactic acid present in the milk?
यस सर, एक होता है सर. अगर ये white milk में अगर आप वो डाल दोगे, अगर टर्मरिक डाल दोगे, तो फिर जो मिल्क का जो कलर है वो व्हाइट से सीधा येलो में हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, the quantity of lactic acid in the milk is in it is in small quantity or in sufficient quantity?
Small quantity.
Small.
In very small quantity. Okay. And all of you know that the bacteria which convert milk into curd, that is lactobacillus bacteria. Do you know about the conversion of milk into curd? Lactobacillus bacteria is responsible. Okay. And one thing, keep your mic mute in between. Now is turmeric is yellow in acidic solution, and it is turmeric bases turn yellow turmeric to red. And what about the phenolphthalein? It is a synthetic indicator, man-made acid-base indicator. It is phenolphthalein. It is colorless in acid solution. Colorless in acid solution, and phenolphthalein indicator gives pink color in basic solution. Vyom,
Yes sir.
do you have phenolphthalein indicator?
Yes sir.
Okay, so in next class, can you show the reaction of this any basic solution with phenolphthalein indicator?
Okay sir.
है ना? तो basic solution, any soap solution or any basic solution you can take, and you just show it to all. Is it clear?
Okay sir. Sir, can I use methyl orange?
You can also use methyl orange as well as phenolphthalein indicator in next class.
Okay sir.
Okay. So, Pankti, you made rose water in home. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So, did you perform any activity with the help of a rose petals solution?
Sir, I am trying to do, but that is failed.
So, do again. Because,
Okay, sir.
there may be problem in the concentration. Just make a concentration solution of rose petals. There may be more dilution of water. That's why it is not showing its result. Okay. Now I am coming to the point acids. All of you know that acids have sour in taste. Yes. And there are so many types of acids. And when we start our discussion on the acid, the first one, that is organic acids. Organic acids means what? Naturally occurring acids. And they found in various types of plants and animals, do you know which acid present in our stomach?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric.
Hydrochloric.
Yes, hydrochloric acid. Acha, we all are talking about this coronavirus, yes? And in this coronavirus, most of the time it is suggested that we should not that attack in our respiratory system, and it enter in our body through the nose, then our throat, then to the lungs. And what happens if it entered in our stomach? Can anybody guess?
It will be
By
killed.
By hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
our acidic medium kills it. And also, this is very important. All of you know that naturally occurring acids found in plants and animals. All of you know the acetic acid. Acetic acid, what is its common name? Vinegar. Do you know about the vinegar?
Yes, sir.
In Hindi, we call it sirka, and vinegar is used as preservation, as a preservative in food, है ना? Do you know about the formic acid? अच्छा, कभी किसी को किसी उसने काटा है, चींटी ने काटा है, ants bite,
Yes, sir.
काटा है तो it inject an acid that is formic acid. Formic acid, as it inject formic acid in our body, and what happens? A pain, a very sharp pain caused by the sting of ant is due to the formic acid. Yes, Arush, very good. And one more thing, citric acid. It is present in
Lemon.
lemon, orange. Yes, yes, in all kinds of citrus fruits is present. And lactic acid present in curd and in sour. अब आप एक बात देखिए, what is the taste of curd?
Sour.
Okay.
Sir.
And milk taste is not same as the taste of curd. There is a difference in their taste.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. But sometimes what happens because of this weather, if your mother forget to keep the milk in the refrigerator, so what happens? Its taste change.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Aros, give me one answer. Why the taste of spoiled milk change, or sometimes milk taste change when it is outside the refrigerator or during the summertime, in extreme summer. Arush. Arush is not there. So it is all because of the sour taste. So sometimes milk, yes, better.
Sir, if we put milk in refrigerator near the curd or any sour thing, so
Then
the
its taste change. Very good. And tartaric acid, it is present in turmeric, turmerine, but that is the imli. Imli में कौन सा acid पाया जाता है? That is tartaric acid. It is also present in unripe mangoes, unripe grapes. Tartaric acid. Ascorbic acid. Can anybody tell me the chemical name of ascorbic acid? It is vitamin C. It is present in amla and citrus fruits, and commonly it is known as vitamin C. Oxalic acid. It is present in spinach. Spinach खाते हैं आप लोग?
yes, sir. आज पालक पनीर ही बना है.
Oh, very good. So, what is present in spinach? Pankti, today you finished the palak paneer, a nice dish. Can you tell me why we should take spinach in our diet?
So because spinach is a grain food, it gives more what we said.
Which element is present in spinach? It contains iron. Iron. Okay. And so all these were these organic acids. Organic acids can be taste. We can take that lemon, we can eat amla, spinach, and all these. But second category of acids are mineral acids. Mineral acids means acids prepared from the minerals of the earth are called mineral acids. Or in general language, we can say mineral acids are the man-made acids. जो हमने बनाए हैं, they are called mineral acids. Okay, and they are used in laboratory, especially in science laboratory, to perform experiments. You visited in our school, junior science lab?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There are so many types of acids, and one of them is most commonly used mineral acids are, first one is hydrochloric acid, the second one is sulfuric acid, and third one is nitric acids. Okay, so these three are mineral acids or man-made acids that generally we use in our laboratories. Now, there is a classification between strong acids and weak acids. So, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, these three are strong acids. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acids, and nitric acids are strong acids. But acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, carbonic acid, these are weak acids. These are weak acids. Now, one very important point about the acid rain. Can anybody of you tell me about the acid rain?
What's it?
Acid rain. Okay, I will. Yes.
सर पहली बारिश को एसिड रेन कहते हैं.
Oh my God. No, Sanika. Arush, can you open your camera? Arush,
Yes, sir.
what is acid rain?
Acid rain.
Yes.
Sir, acid rain is the rain which is formed by due to the chemicals.
Which chemicals? Beta?
Sir, man-made chemicals. Sir.
No. Acha, it is related to rain.
Nitrogen oxide. The Kenatel. Acid rain is an acidic rain which can cause the destruction to plants, animals, and infrastructure.
Okay. Yes, you are
Sir,
right.
acid rain is the rain which contains excess of acid dissolved in it. The acid oxides present in the air like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide are dissolved in rainwater to form acids like carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid.
Excellent. All Aros, Adit, and Vyom, all you were correct. Actually, already some gases are present in atmosphere. Nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide. And when rain takes place, so this rain water react with these three. So nitrogen dioxide plus water, nitric acid, sulfur dioxide plus water, sulfuric acid, and carbon dioxide plus water, carbonic acid. And these three reach this mixed in water and reach to the ground. This is called acid rain. And that's why it is advisable not to take rain in first shower. जब बारिश पहली बार बारिश होती है तो क्या उसमें हमको ओपनली नहाना चाहिए? No, because these acids present in air, gases present in air may dissolve, may react with water, and these acids reach to the ground. Yes, Pankti, what do you want?
सर जो जूनियर साइंस लैब्स में साइड मतलब एक बड़े से ग्लास की यूटेंसिल से बहुत सारे, तो उसमें जैसे छिपकली लिजार्ड रखी है और रैट है, मतलब सर वो कौन से एसिड से मतलब खराब नहीं होते, स्मेल नहीं आती?
वो एसिड्स नहीं होते. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, अभी एक खास चीज बताता हूं. आप अब देखेंगे, अब आपको मैं
सर फिर स्मेल क्यों नहीं आती उसमें से?
बताएंगे. अभी आरो से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि व्हाई नॉट इन सेकंड रेन. जितना ये डस्ट पार्टिकल, जितना भी पॉल्यूशन प्रेजेंट है वो मैक्सिमम नीचे आ जाता है. Is it clear? That's why it may also contain acid in second, but not in that much quantity that harm us. Especially in the beginning, we should avoid, but after few continuous or regular showers, then there is no problem. Now, one thing I would like to tell you in today's session, that is neutralization reaction. You all heard about the neutralization reaction? In neutralization reaction, just see, then I will talk about. Is neutralization reaction means what? Neutralization reaction, can anybody tell me what is neutralization reaction?
Sir, the reaction in which acid and bases are mixed together.
The reaction between acid and bases is called neutralization reaction. So what happens in neutralization? What products form?
Salt.
Salt
and water.
Salt and water. Very good. Just see this video.
Did you know that lemon juice contains citric acid and ant stings contain formic acid? Apart from these, there are also laboratory acids such as hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Toothpaste, household ammonia, and egg white are some substances that contain bases.
Okay, these three, lemon, ant sting, in laboratories, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, these contain, and these three, household ammonia and these toothpaste contain base.
Welcome to the virtual laboratory. Today we will learn.
As you all know that we can't go to laboratory to perform these experiments, but here we have a virtual laboratory to perform these experiments. So see carefully.
More about acids and bases. Remember, these are highly corrosive substances, so be sure to always follow safety precautions when working with them. One way to test for acids is by using indicators. Does it turn blue litmus red? Does it turn phenolphthalein colorless? If the answer to these questions is yes, then the solution is an acid.
All of you know that if given substance, we don't know what is it, if it turns blue litmus red or it turns phenolphthalein colorless, so it is an acid.
Basic substances usually have a soapy, slippery feel. Another way to test for a base is by using indicators. Does it turn red litmus blue? Does it turn phenolphthalein pink? If the answer to these questions is yes, then the solution is a base. We have learned that acids and bases have very distinct properties. But what happens when we bring an acid and a base together? Let's try two experiments with acid.
This is quite interesting to know. What happens when acid and bases mix together? Acid and bases, when mixed together, a reaction takes place. I would like to ask one question to all of you. What happens when ants bite you, or wasp or such type of insect bite you? What you applied on your skin?
Sir,
soap या फिर
ants,
Yes.
sir, ants bite is acidic, and when we put base or base in it, the reaction changes.
Now I am asking what particular base. We don't know what is base and other things. आपके घर में जो मिला आप क्या अप्लाई करते हो?
सर साबुन या फिर लोहा घिसकर लगा लेते हैं अगर बड़ काट जाए.
Sir, baking soda.
Sir, baking
I am
soda. Baking soda.
baking soda. This is important. Lime. We can apply lime also. Chuna.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Vyom, I will come to this point. Please wait.
Acids and bases. Let's see what happens when a base such as ammonia and an acid such as vinegar are brought together.
Ammonia
Measure
and
out
vinegar.
100 milliliters of distilled water in a beaker. Phenolphthalein is a colorless solution. Add about 3 drops of phenolphthalein to the water and swirl the solution a little.
This is quite interesting. Drops of phenolphthalein added in water, few drops.
You will see that there is no change in the color of the phenolphthalein. This is because
Water is neither an acid nor a base. It is neutral. Distilled water is neutral.
distilled water is neither an acid nor a base. It is neutral. Now we will add a few drops of the base ammonia to this solution of water and phenolphthalein.
Color change.
You will see that the solution suddenly becomes reddish purple,
Purple.
indicating that ammonia is a base.
Can anybody tell me the color of water change to pink? इसको फिर से कैसे colorless कर सकते हैं? How can we turn it colorless again?
By
adding
adding
By adding
an acid.
Okay, let us see. Yes, you are right.
Now to this reddish purple solution, let us add some drops of acidic vinegar. You will see that the solution slowly turns a diluted shade of purple and then becomes colorless again. What we have just seen is called a neutralization reaction.
Neutralization
Acidic
reaction.
vinegar reacts with the base ammonia and cancels or neutralizes its effect. That is why the phenolphthalein turns from purplish back to colorless when we add the vinegar.
So it is quite interesting. We took 3 things: phenolphthalein, ammonia, and vinegar, and distilled water. First, add drops of phenolphthalein in distilled water, check its color, then add ammonia, check its color. If it change, again add vinegar and check its color. So we can neutralize it after adding vinegar. So this is neutralization. Neutralization means what? To cancel the effect of each other. To cancel the effect of each other means what? Acid cancel the effect of base, base cancel the effect of acid. And in this process of acid plus base reaction, a kind particular salt and water form. As you know that sodium chloride is a common salt. Sodium chloride, how can we form the sodium chloride common salt? Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Hydrochloric acid is an acid. So sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid, it becomes sodium chloride, that is salt, plus water, H2O. So this is a neutralization reaction.
Let us now see how lime water, a base, reacts with carbonic acid.
Again, an acid-base reaction that is called neutralization reaction.
To a test tube of lime water, add a few drops of phenolphthalein and observe what happens. Notice how the solution changes to pink, indicating that lime water is a base.
Base.
Now, let's breathe into the solution and see what happens. Notice how the pink color disappears and the solution becomes colorless once again. This happens because the carbon dioxide in our breath dissolves in water to form carbonic acid. This acid reacts with lime.
You understood second activity when somebody was blowing out through from the mouth to that acid?
Yes, sir.
One more thing. All of you know if we have a freshly prepared lime water and we start blowing through our mouth through an straw. So what we exhale out, that is carbon dioxide. है ना? So because of that carbon dioxide, it changed. See it again.
Water and cancel.
This acid react with lime water and cancel or neutralize its effect. Heat is released during the reaction, which produces calcium carbonate, that is salt, and water.
Or neutralizes its effect. Heat is released during the reaction, which produces calcium carbonate and water.
So this calcium hydroxide is an acid. And carbonic acid H2CO3 is a base, forms salt, calcium carbonate, and water, and simultaneously heat released. ये गर्म हो जाती है test tube.
And bases neutralize each other. They react to form a salt and water, and heat is released.
So is it clear to all? Now, very important thing, how can we prepare salt?
Preparation of salts neutralization method. In chemical terms, salts are ionic compounds that result from reactions between acids and bases. There are several methods by which salt can be prepared.
When we say salt, generally all of us know that salt means our table salt or common salt. But there are so many types of salt. Calcium carbonate formed in previous chemical reaction, that was also salt. But how can we prepare common salt? That is sodium chloride, with the reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid.
Titration, precipitation, and the reaction between acids and excess carbonates, or between acids and insoluble bases or metals. In this session, we will learn about the neutralization method. Copper oxide will react with sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate salt. In a 50 ml beaker, add excess copper oxide to 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Filter the excess copper oxide. Using a Bunsen burner setup,
to heat
the filtrate to saturate the copper sulfate salt solution. Cool the filtrate so that the blue copper sulfate salt becomes crystallized. Summary. Salts are ionic compounds.
So very common reaction of neutralization reaction is acid-base reaction, that is sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. अब एक बात मुझे आप सभी लोग बताइए, कभी कभी इंडाइजेशन होता है, पेट गड़बड़ होता है?
यस सर।
कब होता है? जब हम लोग ज्यादा खाना खा लेते हैं. यस. अब जैसे हर कंट्रीज ऑफ, हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं. So how many times we eat oily food? So sometimes you heard about the term acidity?
Yes sir.
Acidity के बारे में सुना है आप लोगों ने? Yes.
Yes.
तो जब एसिडिटी होती है तो हमको क्या लेना चाहिए?
Basic thing.
Basic. Very good. Because the hydrochloric acid form in excessive quantity and that can be neutralized by basic. So generally what we do, that is powder, it contains base. Yes. So it neutralizes its effect. One more thing, when ants bite, we applied baking soda over it. Acidic salt, basic salt, we will discuss later. Amen. Acidic salt means when more acid present in that salt. Suppose there is a acid plus base, but acid is more strong than base. So the formed salt will be acidic salt. Is it clear, Amay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vyom, you want to show something? You can show right now. Last few minutes are explain
Sir,
properly. Explain properly.
I have taken vinegar in this bowl, and this is phenolphthalein, and I will add some drops of it in it.
Okay.
Now we will mix it.
In which you are mixing, please show it properly. You can take it
Sir,
in. हाँ, move up. थोड़ा और ऊपर करिए तो दिखाई देगा. हाँ, yes. Yes,
you
it
can
is.
see this became colorless.
Okay.
This was vinegar.
Okay. So what was its color earlier?
So the vinegar color was earlier also colorless, but the phenolphtalene's color was light red or pink.
So there are so many other experiments we can do, and because we are not going to a real lab, so in this way we'll do number of experiments. So I am asking you to do something. Okay. So are you interested to do these activities at home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am not asking you to ask an ant to bite you. ऐसा तो नहीं कहना चाहिए ना. आपके घर में जितनी भी चीजें हैं, this is a very common activity I am asking you to do. Number of types of fruits available. Try to find out which acid present in it. Number of basic items are there in your kitchen. Try to find out. And what are how we use neutralization reaction in our everyday life. The first one is indigestion. तो जब आपका पेट खराब होता है तो आपकी मदर आपको क्या होम रेमेडी देती है, ये बताइए मुझे. कुछ आपको घर में दिया जाता है जब आपका पेट होता है, देयर इज ए पेन, you are suffering from pain in order. Yes? Not audible properly.
Boiled water with a pinch of salt and sugar.
Okay. Arpita said hing. So try to find out what is present in hing. It is the best medicine to get rid from the stomach pain. Yes? All of you are aware about it. Baking soda. There is a baking soda in your house?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, we can taste the baking soda? Yes or no?
Sir, yes.
बेकिंग सोडा, जिसको हम खाने का सोडा कहते हैं, वो तो किचन में ही यूज होता है, तो उसका टेस्ट ले सकते हैं आप लोग ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो बेकिंग सोडा में ऐसा क्या होता है कि इससे, अच्छा बेकिंग सोडा कई खाने की चीजों में डाला जाता है, किस किस में डाला जाता है?
केक
केक में क्यों?
केक, पेस्ट्रीज.
और इडली में डालते हैं कि इडली में?
Idli.
Yes, sir.
छोले भटूरे में भी डालते हैं?
Sir, cookies.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, क्या होता है ऐसा इसमें कि बेकिंग सोडा को क्यों डालते हैं इसमें? क्या रीजन है? कैन यू फाइंड आउट?
Sir, it becomes fluffy.
So why the paste becomes fluffy after adding baking soda? This is your work to find out. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And listen to me
Sir,
carefully.
उसमें से गैस निकलती है.
Which gas released?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, very good. To try to find out all these things, and very soon I will send you a worksheet to do from the chapter.
Sir, you are not audible.
Hello?
Suddenly, meeting ended due to some technical problems. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, no problem. We are going to end it. Sai Ram.